The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 13. The Entrustment of People and Gods. At that time the world-honored one extended his gold-colored arm, and again rubbed the crown of the head of Earth Store Bodhisattva while saying, Earth Store, your spiritual powers, compassion, wisdom, and eloquence are inconceivable. Even if all the Buddhas of the 10 directions were to proclaim their praise of your inconceivable deeds, they could not finish in thousands of eons. Earth Store, remember this entrustment that I am again making here in the Triastrimsha heaven, in this great assembly of hundreds of thousands of millions of indescribably many Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, gods, dragons, and the rest of the Eightfold Division. I again entrust to you the gods, people, and others who are still in the burning house and have not yet left the triple world. Do not allow those beings to fall into the evil destinies, even for a single day and night, much less fall into the fivefold relentless hell, or the Avicii hell, where they would have to pass through thousands of millions of eons, with no chance of escape. Earth Store, the beings of southern Jambudvipa have irresolute wills and natures. They habitually do many evil deeds. Even if they resolve to do good, they soon renounce that resolve. If they encounter evil conditions, they tend to become increasingly involved in them. For those reasons, I reduplicate hundreds of thousands of millions of bodies to transform beings, take them across, and liberate them, all in accord with their own fundamental natures. Earth Store, I now earnestly entrust the multitudes of gods and people to you. If in the future, among gods and people, there are good men or good women who plant a few good roots in the Buddha Dharma, be they as few as a strand of hair, a mote of dust, a grain of sand, or a drop of water, then you should use your powers in the way to protect them, so that they gradually cultivate the unsurpassed way and do not get lost or retreat from it. Moreover, Earth Store, in the future, gods or people, according to the responses of their karmic retributions, may be due to fall into the evil destinies. They may be on the brink of falling, or may already be at the very gates to those paths. But if they can recite the name of one Buddha or Bodhisattva, or a single sentence or verse of a great vehicle sutra, then you should use your spiritual powers to rescue them with expedient means. Display a boundless body in the places where they are, smash the hells, and lead them to be born in the heavens and to experience supremely wonderful bliss.